Hey, good Monday morning. Okay, I want to pop in here and do the look of the month for you called Blushing Spring. You saw it, and there it is right there. I'm gonna have the whole look right down here. Okay, so what we're starting out with, I have foundation on, I have my eyebrows on. Next, we are beginning with Crystalline. And with Crystalline, I am actually taking the all over color brush, and I am taking Crystalline. That's this one. And Crystalline, I am putting all over. All over. That's right. All over. All over the eye, up into the brow area. It's what I'm going to work my colors into. I like to do that instead of using it like just at the very end at the top, because I like to have a place to put all my colors and work it into. I usually use a matte, but this morning I wanted to play with this look. So I figured, see, there we go, Crystalline all over. Now, the next thing that we're working with is we are working with a dusty rose, okay? And actually a sunlit rose. So it's dusty rose and sunlit rose. We got the roses going on. Of course, it's spring, right? So again, I am going to go actually to sunlit rose next. I'm going to continue to use my all over color brush. And sunlit rose, can you tell I use it a lot, is down there on the bottom. I am actually pressing into it. And the sunlit rose, I'm pressing it on my lid, okay? I'm pressing the sunlit rose onto my lid because it gives it more of a pigment of color, okay? More of a pigment. And I love the sunlit rose. More color pigment. Again, I'm pressing more over here too. And then I am taking, where did you go? There you are. Okay, I'm going to take the blending brush, and I'm going to use the blending brush in the dusty rose. So I'm taking the dusty rose, using the blending brush, and it's going in the crease, just like a windshield wiper. Do, 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 do. I know, good old windshield wipers. Man, used them a lot yesterday morning. We drove down home in that pouring rain to the kids' house, and then thank goodness we didn't have to come back in it. So there we go. Let me move over here so you're not covering you with my hand. Again, dusty rose. See what I did? Dusty rose up in the crease. Dusty rose in the crease. Now I'm showing you guys, again, I'm only the two brush user. That's me. And then what we're doing is we're taking, well, we're not taking that because that's the lip liner. We're taking the Steely eyeliner. Okay, and we're going to grab the Steely eyeliner. There we go. And we're putting Steely eyeliner. It's such a soft, beautiful eyeliner. You notice I do not make a straight line. As you guys know how I do my eyeliner. I tuck it, and it's not perfect. And I just move it inside my lashes. See that? I just put it inside my lashes. Tuck it in there and underneath. And underneath this side. Both sides and underneath. Now, like I always do, I always finish off my in underneath with a little bit of a Q-tip there to make sure it's clean under there. Okay, next we are using my Intensity Mascara. We're gonna grab some Intensity Mascara and we're gonna put that on. I'm taking my Jeep to get Wilhelmina. 4 years. We're getting new tires today. Ooh, I am so excited. So super excited. Boy, does she need them. Ooh, she needs them bad, 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 bad. So we're popping into Muncie. It's about an hour away. Okay, sorry about that if I moved away from the camera a little bit. Kind of looking in the mirror here. Hello, I am here. I promise. There we go. Oh, we definitely need another coat. Another coat, another coat. And let me see another one on this side. And I do have a video about the Intensity Mascara because I absolutely love it. Now, for cheeks, we're using Rosy Nude. Find my cheek brush in here. There we go. Cheek brush. So we're using, I want to double check I'm getting the right color here because that is important. Okay. Rosy Nude. Right there is Rosy Nude. Rosy Nude. It is a neutral. Fabulous for those of you that have problems with red cheeks or a pinkish face, something like that. So we're taking a little bit of Rosy Nude. Again, it's blushing. Just enough to give you a little, see that? Just enough. Just enough. Look at that. Just enough. Oh, isn't that pretty? Just enough. Ooh, for glow, a pretty glow. Okay, now what we're gonna do is the lips. Ooh, okay, you're gonna go, Sin, there is no way I am wearing those lips. I don't think so. Well, it's just fun. First off, it's the hot pink lip liner. Hey, I'm gonna look great getting tires on at the dealership, can I tell you? Okay. There we go. Ooh. And you're going, hello? I know. But it looks so good with the whole look. Haute pink. Semi-matte shine. And then Ballerina pink, lippy glossy over top. And you're all like, hello. Oh, don't you love my closet door open? You know what? I'm real. Hey, now look at that whole look. It is so fun. Let me pop you out here a second. Come here. Come with me a minute. Let me look over here. Oh, the sunlight's coming in. Yes! What a fun look for today. I'm going to have a blast. All right, gang. Here you go. This is your spring look for April. Don't you love it? Blushing. All right, have a good one.